Hey guys, Glenn from Fieldmagic here, and today I want to run you through a new feature that we've added designed to make it easier for you to create asset repair jobs in your system. So if we go into our job wizard now, we want to create a new job. We can search for the customer. Okay, it'll search the existing system for any existing customers, or it'll use Google Maps to find a new customer. It's found one. We're going to select the site. From here, I can select, who do I want as the contact, or I can add a new contact. I can then create a job. Okay, I can use a job template. Okay, I can set my job summary and so on. And then what we can actually do is we can quickly add any relevant assets there. So I can go asset search. Okay, I can search the site for the job. It's showing me all of the existing assets on the site. I can select the one that I would like. I can link all the matched assets or just specific select assets. I can filter by the site by default, the asset type, asset group, or the serial number. I can search as well. In this case, I just have the one asset, so I can link that selected asset. I can also select from here, do I want to do a fire extinguisher inspection? And which periods do I want to do that inspection for? Okay, so all of that is within the job wizard. I can add a job sign-off checklist as well. I can now complete that process. We'll say this is time and materials, being a repair job, and I can go and complete that process and then go and immediately schedule that job. So the idea here is to make it really, really easy to create and schedule asset repair jobs, okay, and really just simplify that whole process. Really streamlined workflow there. Previously, you would have had to go into the assets screen and link them from here, but that's now all part of the wizard, and you can see the asset is linked there. Hopefully that helps streamline your workflow for anyone that's out there inspecting and repairing pieces of machinery. This ensures that all of the job history is linked to those assets and you can track any repairs and faults. Thanks very much.